Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are not having any high impact news into the market today. So I'm not anticipating any volatile move. So most likely we are going to stay in a sideways zone for today's trade. So let's move to the charts now. So this is the monthly chart and nothing has changed into the monthlies. So let's directly move to the weeklies. As we move into the weeklies, we can see that we were having this last demand zone from where the price moved into the further upside direction and broke this high. So as we had anticipated before that this could be a, a zone from where the price can possibly move into the upside direction. And so did the price do. So now let's move to the dailies to see what do we have in here to resist the price to move into the further upside direction. As we move into the daily zones, we can see that we are having this FVG. So if we are going to continue our journey into the downward direction today, uh, or into the further downside, most likely we are going to respect this FVG and then move into the downward side. So for now, this high is a vulnerable high for me. So let's move to the 4 hours to build our daily narrative. So this will be the ultimate vulnerable low if we are going to go into the downward side. So let's move to the 4 hours now. Yeah. As we move into the 4 hours, what we can see is that we are having this high and the price is kind of reluctant to go into the lower side. So though we are sweeping the highs, let's move to the smaller time frame to see what do we have in here. As we move to the 1 hours, we can see quite a choppy price action. That is, the price has not made any FVG into the 1 hour chart. So let's move to the 30 minutes now. As we move into the 30 minutes, we can see that this was a strong low. So that concludes that this is a strong low for the price. And we still don't have any POI. Here we go. This was the last mitigated FVG by the price, and the price has moved into the further upside direction. So for today's bias, I'm anticipating that most likely we are going to sweep the Asia low and then we are going to take this high. Then only we can see a further response into the downward side. So let's move to the 5 minutes to define the bias. So for today's bias, I am anticipating the move. I always forget where. In this way that the price is going to accumulate into the Asia session and into the London session. Most likely we are going to sweep the uh, Asia low and then we are going to the further upside direction towards the daily FVG. So this is my today's analysis, and this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments if you have any doubts regarding this, uh, regarding anything I have explained. So thank you for watching.